Hello students, in this video we are going to see second order Runge-Kutta method. Okay? Runge-Kutta method. In this we will see first method. Consider the differential equation dy by dx is equal to f of x1 with y of x0 is equal to y0. Okay. For this formula is y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2, where k1 is nothing but h into f of x0 comma y0 and k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. Okay. This formula is called the second order Runge-Kutta this K is capital Kutta formula. Just keep in mind this formula. Y1 is equals to y0 plus 1 by 2 k1 plus k2, where k1 is equals to h into f of x0 comma y0 and k2 is equals to h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k. Okay. Let us see some examples based on this method for better understanding. Example solve the initial value problem. Solve the initial value problem. Dy by dx is equal to y minus x with initial condition y of 0 is equal to 2 by Runge-Kutta formula. And compute h is equal to 0.1 and compute y of 0.1 and y of 0.2. Correct to 4 decimal places. Correct to 4 decimal places. Okay. Solution. The given differential equation is what? Dy by dx is equal to y minus x and y of 0 is equal to. So here f of xy is equal to y minus x. Okay, h is equals to 0.1. Y of 0 is equals to 2 means x0 is equals to 0 and y0 is equals to 2. Okay, so first our formula is y1 is equals to y0 plus h into f of x0 y0. Okay, so here we require f of x0 y0, it is y0 minus x0. Y0 is 2 minus x0 is 0. This is equal to 2. Here h is equal to 0.1 means our x is lies on x0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x1. That is 0 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 0.1. Okay, y1 is equal to our formula is actually y1 is equal to y0 plus 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. Okay, now we have to find k1 and k2. To find the values of k1 k2 we require f of x1 f of x0 and y0, so we have calculated it. So k1 is equal to what? H into f of x0 y0. What is h? H is 0.1 into f of x0 y0 is 2. This is 0.2. K2 is what? K2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. Students, make one correction in the formula. We have write down in starting that formula is k2 is equal to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. Okay, make that correction. Okay. F of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. Okay. So this is equal to what is h? H is 0.1 into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2 means what? What is your f of xy? Is this. This is your x and this is y. So into y0 plus k1 upon 2 minus x0 minus h by 2. Okay, this is equal to 0.1. Okay. What is value of y0? Y0 is 2 plus k1 upon 2. What is k1? This is 0.2 upon 2 minus x0 is 0 minus h by 2. H is 0.1 upon 2. Okay, this is equal to 0.1 into 2 plus 0.1 upon this is 0.2, this is 0.1 minus 0.05. Simplify this, you will get answer 0.205. So k1 is 0.2 and k2 is 0.205. Therefore y1 means y of 0.1. Okay, remember that y1 means value of y at x is equal to 0.1 because our x is lies between 0 to 0.1 is equal to. What is the formula? y0 plus h sorry 1 by 2 into k1 plus k2. So y1 becomes y0 is 2 plus 1 by 2 into what is k1 is 0.2 plus 0.2025. This is 2.2025. So y1 is 2.2025. Okay. Now we have to determine y2. To determine or to find out, to determine y2 means y of 0.2. Okay. Here x0 is equal to 0.1 and y0 y1 is equal to 2.2025. Okay. Now f of x0 y0 is y0 minus x0. Okay, which is equal to, okay, to determine y2 our x0, because we have to find y2 means our x is lies between x1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x2. Here x2 is 0.2. Okay. For this, in this interval, our x0 is 0.1. So here is x0 is 0.1 and y0 is y1 means y0 means y of 0.1. So y0 is equal to 2.2025. Okay. Don't confuse students. We know that this is actual y1, but for this interval, this x1 is x0. That's why x0 is equal to 0.1 and y0 is y of 0.1, which is y1. Okay. So f of x0 y0 is y0 minus x0, but y0 is this value, not this. Okay. 2.2025 minus x0 is 0.1. Okay. This is nothing but 2.1025. This is our f of x0 y0 for the interval. Okay. Take your x is 0.1, that is on our x is lies between x is less than or equal to x1 is less than or x2, means that is 0.1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x2. Okay. Here no need to write down it, just understand it. Okay. Now we have to find k1 and k2. What is the formula of k1 is h into f of x0 y0. What is h? H is 0.1 into f of x0 y0 is 2.1025. This is equal to 0.2103. Okay. Next is k2. K2 is h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 upon 2. Okay. So this is become h is 0.1. This is your x and this is y. So your f of xy is y minus x. So it becomes into y0 plus k1 upon 2 minus x0 minus h by 2. Okay. This is equal to 0.1 into 2 plus k1 is here 0.2103 upon 2 minus x0 is for this interval 0.1 minus h by 2. H by 2 means 0.1 upon 2. Okay. Simplify this and calculate on calculator. We will get answer 0.1955. 0.1955. Okay. This is K1 and K2. Now just put all these values of K1 and K2 in this formula. Y2 means y of 0.0. This is y0 plus 1 by 2 into K1 plus K2. What is y0 is 2.2025 plus 1 by 2. K1 is 0.2103 plus 0.1955. This is equals to 2.4054. Okay. I hope students all of you understand the example. Okay. We will stop here. Thank you.